In this video, I want to talk to you more about what to write and how to write the description of your YouTube video. Now, you see some people can see a part of the description even before they click on the video. So that beginning of the description on a desktop is important to convince a potential viewer to click on your video versus another video. On mobile, the descriptions don't appear. But still, a lot of people use desktop, so it is important. So we have this blurb about 2 sentences, and you have 2 options. You can make it more attractive, or you can post a link to your product, because here's what happens. If I find mine somewhere here, this is an older video, so it kind of went down in the rankings. It used to be number 1 for the longest time. But we'll see that what I did is that I actually have my product linked here. You see, so I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to sell a product. So there's 2 things you can do. I chose to sell, but you could choose to increase your click-through rate. You have those 2 options. Whichever you choose for your situation, it's fine for you. If I was doing this fresh, I would take advantage of the fact that this line that I'm highlighting here still shows up without having to click show more. You see, I have a long description, but I have to click show more, and most people don't click show more. So I wanted that link to appear there. So I would actually put the link on this line and make this line more interesting. Now, what would make it interesting? It's something that reinforces the title. If the title is how to write a business plan for a restaurant, the text here could be something like start a restaurant in 30 days. Obviously, you're not going to start a restaurant in 30 days, but something that makes it more interesting. Also, YouTube is on record in saying that the keywords towards the top of your description are weighted more heavily than the keywords towards the bottom. So yes, you should have maybe 100 or 200 words in your text here, but the keywords you want to use the most, make them appear near the top. So that's how to handle writing the description.